Are you tired of constantly sneezing? Or struggling with respiratory issues at home? There's a silent culprit lurking above your head that could be causing all your troubles. Dirty air ducts aren't just a nuisance. They're a serious threat to your health and comfort. Picture this. Every time your HVAC system kicks in, it's circulating a cocktail of dust, debris, and allergens throughout your home. It's like breathing in pollution right in your own living room. But here's the good news. You don't have to put up with it any longer. Take control of your indoor air quality by getting your air ducts professionally cleaned. It's not just about cleaner air. It's about reclaiming your health and well-being. Don't let dirty air ducts hold you back any longer. Call 1-866-330-0965 from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and schedule professional air duct cleaning today. Take the first step towards a healthier, happier home environment. Take action now to get your air ducts cleaned and breathe easier in your own home. That number again to call from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. is 1-866-330-0965.